I'm going to barbecue today with our avocado tree leaves and branches. The original tree was pretty big, but was dead due to the cold weather this February. And here has some new branches and leaves. I'm going to use them. This is beef ribs, pretty thick meat over there. And the middle here and the bottom pork ribs. Here we have a water pan, and here you can see avocado leaves and branches. Barbecue started. I'm using Cajun seasoning, and here is an electric grill, and I'm using temperature 250, and looks really nice. Barbecued close to 3 hours. It's getting there.
Thank you very much.
Here we have all kinds of food for this wonderful Christmas party.
You're not going to change to a Hindu.
Yes, but he's working for an American company, so he's keeping American hours. So Hillary is exactly
Here we also have pie. This is a pecan pie. Probably pecan pie too.
Yeah, I'm like, there's not a
So far, I have 0. Here we start to open stocking.
Oh, that's the football team. Yeah.
Nice. Just in case you wanted to spread the word in the far corner.
What is that? Can you turn around? Sweet.
Sorry?
Can you turn around? What is that?
Yeah. It's Austin FC.
Cool.
New decals.
This is awesome.
Not that you have to decorate your car with them.
some curvy wire. Oh, wow. Those are good.
Here are the Christmas gifts we're going to open. There's a lot.
They aren't here.
That one's.
Thank you.
We start to open Christmas presents.
Grow your own catnip at home box.
Oh, you can grow your own. Oh, that's
Yeah. You
excellent.
have a cat? No, but I want to get one after I'm gonna get back. So we will soon.
I know. Did you see the note on it?
Kitten, you know?
Yeah.
There's still a lot.
You don't have it. I have one. That's
I'm
awesome.
very excited about it.
So you don't have to run in the dark anymore.
I am all about safety, man. I'm all about wearing yellow and...
Is that a laser tag vest?
Yeah.
As soon as you put it on, Mom, you're fair game.
There's a lady running around with a gun!
I thought the younger generation.
This is one of the presents I got.
Yeah.
All kinds of local Austin beer.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, from France. Wow.
Andrew, what is that for?
Very good.
Dad and I went out for Indian food.
I
Hat?
wish I could tell you, but it's very soft.
Oh, really?
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
maybe for your
And it's
neck,
so
I guess. For your neck.
Perhaps.
It's
Oh,
dishwasher
yeah.
safe. And
Is this a neck?
very nice. Oh, nice.
Still digging treasure.
Real, yeah, that's not real.
Picture time with Mr. and Mrs. You want to,
Huh.
whatever.
Yeah. Like, this is great. Thank you. I love it.
A Texas-shaped cast iron with cornbread on the sticker. Thank you.
Ooh, this is from my dad's. My dad's caregiver that comes a few times a week. She's from Nigeria and just went home in November to see family. She must have brought these back from Nigeria.
Oh, those are very cool.
Thank you. Just a drum stool. Thank you.
You gotta have a real one.
Nice. Oh, nice.
You been having to stand up to play?
Yeah. Well, hunched over.
Yeah.
Hurt my back, Mom. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wait, yes.
Forget what your symbols are.
Yeah, I mean they're not as big as normal. They're probably as big as top of that. But they're set up the same.
But they ring it.
Yeah.
So this picks it up.
Nice.
So it looks like a good one for you.
Thank you.
Your hanging one.
Oh, that makes sense.
It's a little jewelry.
This is a map
A little
From-
bird told us that
Oxford University.
Thank you.
her initials are HJ.
Yeah. Oh.
They carry from
Oh,
Oxford
like from
to
experience.
London,
Or
France.
did I tell her that?
I don't know.
Kayaking on Lady Bird Lake in Austin. Hello.
Hello, I cannot turn around.
Okay. It's a very good day to kayak. A lot of duckling here. I think we rode our bike from here, right? All the way to here. Then we cross the bridge. Then we came here. Beer party.
Well, kudos to you
Kudos.
for riding the bike, the real bike ride.